Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Bushcraft Bums. I'm here with my brother Matt, my son Will.
What's up, brother?
What's going on, my friend? Living the dream and too blessed to be stressed. That's my new motto on life. We're playing around today with some perimeter alarms.
Right.
A while back, maybe a year ago, we did a video on making a tripwire camp alarm. It was pretty bushcrafty and complex. Check out the video. I think it's called Tripwire Camp Alarm.
Yeah, I think that was the one where we used the bamboo
we
just like chimes.
Yeah, we used pieces of bamboo and sticks to make chimes that were held under tension.
But not very loud.
It was very effective, not very loud, but the thing that really kills it for me is it's really bushcrafty, but if you're just doing it overnight and you want to set up a perimeter camp alarm, it's going to take you 30 minutes to set up a camp alarm, that should take 5 minutes to set up, you know? Yeah. The more time you spend doing things like that, the less time you have getting firewood and shelter and everything. So I wanted to come up with something quick and easy that involves minimal gear that maybe, you know, even somebody without a lot of experience could set up. And this is what we came up with. I think you're going to like it. So what we have really here is basically a deadfall design. We have a rock here balanced on this this stick. The stick is on a piece of bark here, which just keeps it from digging into the ground. All right, it's connected by a tripwire to this fixed stake over here. And the idea is that whatever comes through is going to hit this tripwire. It's going to pull the stake out, and the stake is going to hit. I mean, the stake's going to come out, and the rock's going to fall down and hit this. This is the only real piece of store-bought equipment, other than the cordage, to set this trap.
That's a great piece of kit, by the
yeah,
way.
this is one of those air horns, you know. You see people in the sporting events have them, and also you can use a lot of people on boats and stuff like that. Yeah, because it can be heard over a long way. It's also great when you're hiking because you could use it to signal for help or to scare away predators of the 2- or 4-legged variety, right? So what we did here is we just dug a little hole here to accommodate the capsule here, the canister. So but we leave the bell above ground, right? And we have this little piece of paracord, as I said. This is orange paracord, so you can see it on camera, but a real tripwire should be more earth tone in color, right? Yeah. What's nice about this, it doesn't actually cause injury, so you know you don't really have to worry about it hurting anybody or anything like that. The one thing we discovered through trial and error with this is that sometimes this button won't get hit by the rock exactly with enough force to press it because the button's so shallow. So by putting just a little nugget of wood or bark on there, something for this to hit, it'll give it a little more juice to pierce down on the actual button itself. If I can get it in there without setting the trap off.
So really, what we're doing is we're just making the button higher, in essence.
Yeah, a little bit longer. You know. And Matt's going to tell you a little bit about why we set this trap up where we did.
This is you're always going to set your alarm snares up on the path of least resistance because any animal, human, whatever, is going to take the path of least resistance to get into your camp. All right, we got a bamboo forest over here. We got a raspberry patch over here, some debris. So if we were camping back there in our site, this would be the natural way.
Absolutely.
To come into the camp.
Any trail like this, a bottleneck area, is a great place to set up any type of a snare or a tripwire trap, or even a deadfall. It's just a natural funnel for wildlife. So this is going to be great for to protect your camp, or give you at least a signal if anyone's coming, if intruders, people, bears, yeah, any type of predators, or what I'm most afraid of in the woods, which is of course Sasquatch. Guys, Squatch is out there, all right, and he's always hungry. He'll get you if you're not prepared. So that's why we did this. All right, now we can't always rely on a Squatch coming through because they are pretty wily. But I have been watching a lot of Finding Bigfoot, so I think we're going to be able to call one in. All right, so we're going to give that a shout right now. All right,
going to use your patented
Bobo Bigfoot call.
Squatch call.
Here we go. Get back to the camp. Right, let's get back in the camp. All right, we're going to see what happens.
Hey, that worked pretty good.
Off. All right, I think we have a winner. All right, so it's a quick little blast of air, just enough to maybe wake you up if you were asleep, let you know what's going on. All right, so this is a very simple, low-tech, low-maintenance alarm system for your camp, brought to you by your friends.
Is that our Squatch right there?
That might be a Sasquatch right there. I think that's a baby.
Can the camera pan down and catch the baby Squatch? That doesn't look like a baby Squatch.
My God, they're breeding. But yeah, brought to you by your proud friends at Bushcraft Bums, guys. Remember to like and subscribe and tune back in. All right,
pass it on to the youngsters.
Absolutely,
we need them.
We're all about getting the young kids back into the bushcraft, back in spending time outdoors and away from the PlayStation. All right? We'll see you soon.